Hey, what is up guys? It's me again, MCBC, LMNOP, QVRST, UVWXYZ. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. ये सबको पता है. I know you're feeling very jealous right now looking at me. मेरे सामने है the OnePlus 7T. Yes, the brand new OnePlus 7T. And I'm one of the first few people in the world to touch this. Look at the box, so beautiful. And oh, good news, no need for chaku, knife वगैरह. You can just use the peeling system to get the box open. Let us begin. That's nice. This is the OnePlus 7T. It's the culmination of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Oh my God, amazing. Oh, एक second, we got to do that again. Whenever you open a OnePlus box, you have to make the sound. Oof, amazing. वो नया गाड़ी का smell. Beautiful. Let's see what we got in here. All the usual stuff which we really like. Safety information. Invitation letter. ये मैं बाद में पढ़ूंगा. I don't want to share personal stuff with you guys. The lovely OnePlus stickers. What else we got? Oh, here it is. Okay. Everybody cool? Everybody cool? Okay, here we go. This is the OnePlus 7T. क्या feel है भाई? क्या feel है? I'm barely touching it, but क्या feel है? This is the matte frosted glacier blue. Oh my God, look at that. अंदर से, you know when you hold a new device. Ooh. Let's just keep the phone there safely. Yes. My favorite, this is the Warp Charge 30. You can get a full day's charge in about half an hour. That takes you to about 70%. Love this. This is one of the best things about all the OnePlus devices. Your signature OnePlus cable. Something else I like about OnePlus is that they give you a case with the device. It's a really nice case. So, unboxing to ho gaya, guys. Let's get straight to the device. I felt the vibration. It is coming on, powered by Android. Starting up. This is the first startup. Oh, look at that. Ooh. And we're in. Master full screen, gesture in 3 steps. मेरे को सिखाएगा? मेरे को पता है. हेलो, मैं OnePlus यूजर है. कब से? 5, 5T, 6, 6T. मेरे को बताएगा? बताओ. This is, I think, the only device out there that comes with Android 10 out of the box. And of course, my favorite, which is Oxygen OS. Always updating, always listening to the community. So many features that are really useful day to day. The OnePlus 7T has a 90 Hz refresh rate display. Now, what's the difference between a 90 Hz display and any other regular display? The difference is the difference between a road with potholes and a smooth highway. Up, down, kitna fluid, 90 Hz, 90 Hz. That's 90 Hz. Man, the difference is really stark. If you come from an older device and you come onto the 7T, you can really feel it. I spent 3 hours just doing this only. Upar niche. We are inside the device. Man, it feels so good in my hand. Okay, camera time. Bhai, pagad na ek picture le. Just kidding. मैं थोड़ी ना फेंकेगा, ले ले यार. We've got 3 cameras, one main camera which is a 48 megapixel lens, one telephoto lens and one ultra wide lens. Guys, look at that. It looks like कोई robot घुस गया मेरा घर में और 3 आंख से मेरे को ऐसा देख रहा है. Superb. So in conclusion, I would like to say that after using this device for a couple of hours, a couple of words that come to mind are butter, makhan, ghee, any word that comes to mind when you think of smoothness. Waxing के बाद how your skin feels. आप समझ रहे हो ना? So that's it guys. That's the unboxing of the beautiful OnePlus 7T. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as usual, keep your comments to yourself. और अगर आप jealous feel कर रहे हो, just control अंदर. Don't worry. You can watch this video a couple of times and enjoy the OnePlus 7T. Thanks for watching.